Hello Excel enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. So today we are Hello Excel enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can use VLOOKUP HLOOKUP function to get the data from a huge data of a particular name or anything we are required of. So what we will do now, if we want a percentage of a particular student, for say Sneha or Abhimanyu. So without VLOOKUP, we have to manually check the percentage in the percentage column according to the Abhimanyu row. So this is a short data. We can do it manually also here, but in corporates or in actual work, there is a huge data of 100, 200, 200 data. So we can't manually check percentage of each name. So what we do, we will apply here VLOOKUP function. So here it is asking lookup value. From where we want the lookup value for. So here we will select the cell where we are going to enter the name of the student, press comma, table array. So in table array we have to select the range from name to percentage. We don't have to select the serial number and the subject row and column. So we have selected a range of table, press comma. Now in column index number we have to enter the column number where the percentage column is given from the selected table array. So here name is the first column, English is the second column. Similarly, percentage is the seventh column. So we have to press here 7, comma. Now it will ask us we want an approximate match or the exact match. We have to press the exact match, close the bracket and press enter. Now it will show here not available because we have not entered any name or any data here. So it will give the value. So now I want to check the percentage of Abhimanyu. I will write Abhimanyu. It will give me the percentage of Abhimanyu. You can also check from the table we have prepared. It was 73%. Similarly, if I want to check anyone from the data for say Niyati, press enter. I will get the percentage of Niyati. Similarly, if we want a data of a particular row, we use HLOOKUP, which means horizontal, and we have used VLOOKUP for the column, which means the vertical lookup. So if I want a whole data of one person, for say I want data of Preeti, what I will do, I will apply HLOOKUP function here. Now lookup value is name, which means from a given data, according to the name, I want the other remaining data, comma, table array. We have to select a table. Similarly we did while VLOOKUP, comma. Now here we have to select the row index number. Preeti row index is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have to count a row from name, 7, comma. For exact match you can also press 0, close the bracket and press enter. We got the name Preeti here. What we have to do, you just have to drag the data or press Ctrl R. Hi English, okay. You have seen in the data I have wrote ENG, and while applying the HLOOKUP function I have wrote English, a full word. So here it didn't detect that. So you can see that this is how we can extract a data of a particular student of a particular year or whatever the data require of in just a minute. Like if we get our hands on this, it requires a very less time to extract the data from a huge table. So if you like our video, follow Excel up to excel such skills. Thank you. See you. Bye bye in our next video.